Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation, Calvin Russell here. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of buying a demo on the showroom floor or just a demo in general at the dealership, okay? So let's go straight into it. So, of course, the pros are going to be the fact that, well, you're going to get a good deal on the demos. That's normally what it is. And the reason being is because it got a few miles on them, is on the showroom floor, and it creates the excitement. You know, when a person buys a car or truck, of course, off the showroom floor, it creates the excitement. They get, the porters come in, they start the car up, they open up the doors, people get a chance to see the vehicle go out, and then probably swap another vehicle and bring another vehicle in. So people like to see what the process is, and because they never pay attention to how the doors open up, and because you go into a dealership, it's like, how do they get the cars in there? Everyone always asks, how do you get the cars in there? And I remember working at the dealership, I used to be on the side by the door, and I would then open up the door and like open up the latches for the door so people can see, because it was like, oh my God, how do you guys get these vehicles in here? But either way, that it creates that excitement. And so that's one of the pros, of course, is that again, you'll be able to get that discount, so you'll be able to kind of see how that goes. Now also, one of the cons, all right? So now one of the cons is going to be you don't know how they drove the vehicle. My wife used to work for Enterprise, and of course with me working at the dealership, I can tell you, and she can tell you too, I'm sure, and you can always access this type of stuff at the dealership or at a rental car place. My point is that when the car is not yours, you're going to drive it a little bit differently. Like, it's not your friends, your family members or something like that. This is a car that's brand new, of course, and as a demo, I had a demo at the dealership, and when you get on the expressway, you're flooring it to get on the expressway. So you drive a little bit different, the braking's different, you're turning different, but again, everyone's a different driver. So not that I didn't care, but again, it's just like little things that you would not do if it's not your vehicle. But for the most part, of course, the vehicle's been well taken care of. But there were some people I knew that like, how they drove their vehicles. It's like if it was their car, they would stop a little bit better. They would turn a little bit easier. Just little things like that play a role when you're talking about buying a demo, okay? Of course, another pro is that if you have it, of course, since it's brand new, you'll be able to get the incentive. So that's what's pretty cool. Just because it has a few miles on it, those miles will not go against, let's say if you go into a lease, those miles do not affect if you go into a warranty. It goes by, how that is. So a lot of people think that when you're buying a demo off the showroom floor, just a demo in general, that you're buying a used car. Essentially, you're not. The vehicle's never been titled before, so the insurance company is going to look at it as a brand new vehicle, and then the interest rates for the bank that you're going to go with, they're going to look at it as a brand new vehicle as well too. And so all that plays a role. So you still get those new car perks if you get roadside assistance, if you get a special interest rate, rebates, your insurance company may give you a discount. None of that changes. Okay? But again, now another pro is kind of going back into you don't know how someone drove it. You're going to see a couple more scratches, a couple more dings if they didn't take care of it. So again, it's not going to have that exact same feel as knowing as of just a few miles just from test drives or coming straight off the truck versus having 5,000 miles, 3,000 miles, and you can feel the difference sometimes just because again it has those few miles on it. You don't know how they drove it, and you don't know the condition of the vehicle at the beginning of the time, okay? But again, those are just the pros and cons of it. For the most part, you got to decide, if that's something that you want to do. You don't know necessarily how they drove it, but again, it's still a brand new car. It's never been titled. The dealership still owns it, and it's just again, it's just another way for you to get a discount on a vehicle, especially if it's off the showroom floor. If they're creating that excitement, and it gets everybody back involved, especially if there's customers there. If it's like a Saturday, it's packed at the dealership, and there's customers watching. All that plays a major role when you're buying a vehicle, especially a demo. So again, it's going to still qualify for all the incentives and everything because it's brand new, it's never been titled. So either way, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, we got great videos on the channel and more on the way, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you guys soon.